2026 Kia Camper 6X6 is the ultimate off-road beast that's about to redefine adventure travel. Stick around to see why this six-wheeler could be your next game-changing ride that'll make every road trip epic. Imagine conquering rugged terrains while lounging in luxury. This camper van from Kia blends futuristic design with unbeatable capability, turning heads wherever it goes. Welcome to AutoMotor Reviews, where we dive deep into the vehicles shaping tomorrow's drives. Let's break it down, starting with that jaw-dropping exterior. The exterior of the 2026 Kia Camper 6X6 demands attention from every angle, kicking off with its massive six-wheel stance that screams dominance on and off the pavement. Muscular fenders bulge over massive off-road tires, paired with elevated ground clearance that lets it tackle rocks, mud, and sand without breaking a sweat, perfect for those remote expeditions where lesser vehicles fear to tread. The aggressive front grille proudly displays Kia's signature tiger nose emblem, flanked by razor-sharp matrix LED headlights that pierce the night with adaptive beams, ensuring visibility in the harshest conditions. Sleek, aerodynamic body lines sweep from the panoramic windshield back to a sculpted rear, minimizing drag for better efficiency on long hauls, while the midnight brown or custom paint options add a premium, futuristic vibe that sets it apart from boxy rivals. Smart details elevate the design further. Roof-mounted solar panels gleam atop the elongated cabin, powering off-grid adventures, and dual electric awnings deploy with a button for instant shaded lounging. Exterior storage compartments are strategically placed, pop-open bays for gear, bikes, or kayaks, all weather sealed against the elements. The 6X6 drivetrain shines through beefed-up wheel arches and portal axles, giving it portal-like lift for extreme angles, while blacked-out trim on higher specs adds stealthy aggression. Approach the sides, and you'll spot integrated side steps that double as running boards, rugged skid plates protecting the underbelly, and optional roof racks for extra cargo. This isn't just a camper, it's a mobile fortress with clean curves, LED taillights that wrap around for a modern glow, and an overall presence that's both approachable and intimidating. Kia nailed the balance of luxury lifestyle and hardcore explorer. At around 20 feet long, it towers confidently yet maneuvers surprisingly well thanks to that all-wheel steer system hinted in renders. Sliding inside, the interior transforms into a cozy high-tech haven for up to 6 adventurers. Plush captain's chairs up front swivel to face a U-shaped dinette, with premium leather and real wood accents creating a upscale vibe. A full kitchenette boasts an induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a 100L fridge, all powered by that hybrid battery bank for days off-grid. Rear bunks fold out into a Queen Murphy bed, with ample headroom at 7 feet standing height, and a wet bath keeps things civilized. Massive panoramic windows flood the space with light, controlled by powered shades. Specs pack a punch: a 3.0L turbo diesel hybrid V6 pushing 400 horsepower and 600 Nm torque, mated to a 10-speed auto and true 6X6 transfer case for 35-inch water fording and 40-degree approach angles. Towing hits 7,700 pounds, with air suspension adapting to loads. Features shine with a 15-inch dual-screen infotainment running Kia Connect, wireless charging, 360 cams, and Level 2 ADAS-like highway assist. Off-grid perks include 800 Ah lithium batteries, 2 kW solar, and Starlink-ready comms. Market availability starts mid-2026 in select regions like Europe and Australia first, with US rollout by late year. Pre-orders are buzzing. Pricing kicks off around $95,000 for base, climbing to $140,000 loaded with beast mode packs. That's the 2026 Kia Camper 6X6, adventure luxury unlocked. Hit like, subscribe to AutoMotor Reviews for more, and drop your thoughts below. Ready to 6X6 your world. See you next time.